Little Mermaid. It's so hot today. Oh, come on. A freshwater vending machine. You're so lucky, Coral. Come on, machine. Coral is so thirsty. Oh no, the machine swallowed the money. That won't work, Coral. No, Coral, don't do that. You're going to get stuck. Uh-oh. Whoa! Are you okay, Coral? Of course. The machine didn't work because it wasn't plugged in. Let's get that cold water now. Don't tell me you ran out of money, Coral. You have to find a coin. Nothing like a good run. Right, Cinderella? Good idea. It's important to drink water after exercising. Wow! How many have you had already? Another one, Cinderella. You shouldn't drink so much. Hooray! Quick, let's go to the machine. Oh no! It's empty! But how? You shouldn't have drunk them all, Cinderella. Now Coral can't drink anything and she's so thirsty. It's the last bottle. Were you saving it for later, Cinderella? Wow! Thanks, Cinderella. Who will find the Easter eggs that the Easter Bunny has hidden? Alice, Red Riding Hood, or Cinderella? Let's go! You're doing great, Red. That one was well hidden. Well seen. Alice, Red was just here and took all the eggs. Wow, Cinderella! You found 2 in one go! Cinderella took all the eggs in here too. Look at that! That looks like an egg! A lemon? Alice, look! There's your chance! Pick the other one. Red and Cinderella have won. Alice is sad, girls. She didn't find any eggs. Are you girls planning something? An Easter egg! Alice, go take it! Look! Another one! Oh, I see. You hid some of your own eggs. Now it's time to eat them. So you didn't get rid of the lemon, huh?
Are you building a house of cards, Cinderella? What's going on? Robin and Red are making the card shake. Go slowly, Cinderella. Come on! You're so close to finishing it. Don't get too close to her, Red. Great job, Cinderella. The house of cards is safe and sound. Uh-oh. Wow! What a big house of cards! That's it, Robin. You have to keep the house clean. Be careful with the cards, Robin. The house will crumble. Great idea. With magic, it won't fall apart. Wow! It looks amazing. Oh no! The spell breaks at 12 o'clock. Oh no. Looks like Alice and Little Mermaid are sick. Luckily, Dr. Snow White is here to help. Little Mermaid already got her shot. Now it's your turn, Alice. Where is she? You shouldn't run away. Medicine is good for you. Look closely, Little Mermaid. Come on. You need to find her before she gets worse. You don't look so good, Alice. You'll have to face it if you want to get better. What was that? Oh no, Alice looks so sick. Maybe holding the teddy will make you less scared. It wasn't that bad after all, right? Yay! The medicine got you healthy again. Take a reward for being so brave. What is that awful smell? Beast and Little Mermaid are a mess. Oh no! They have fleas! Where did they go? Don't use Rapunzel's brush, you'll give her fleas. Bastard! That's Sleeping Beauty's doll. Come on, she just wants to help you. You're gonna have to try your best, girls. There has to be a way to get rid of them. Well, I think that's a bit extreme. Yes! Maybe a magic spell will make them disappear. Wow! You look fantastic, guys! Uh-oh!
to Little Mermaid's slumber party. What did you bring, girls? Little Red Riding Hood brought candy. Sleeping Beauty brought her makeup case. This is going to be the best sleepover ever. High five, Sleeping Beauty. Sleeping Beauty? The girls are getting their makeup done. Wow, you look great, Red Hood. Isn't she beautiful, Sleeping Beauty? Look like she's busy. It's time to dance! Yay! Great move! Woo! Go, Red Hood! Looks like Sleeping Beauty loves it. What? So rude! She won't let the phone go. It's war! Cushion fight! Drop the phone already! That's a funny picture. You're having so much fun. But they miss you. Oh, girls. Cushion fight! Best slumber party